Here's what 11,000 monthly gets you in Imus, Cavite. 28 square meters studio unit na parang one bedroom dahil sa free loft feature. Smart lock set ang entrance door. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na ang cozy vibe. Fully functional na rin ang kitchen mo. May kasama ng range hood, cooktop, at built-in cabinets. Hindi rin tinipid ang toilet and bath. Fully fitted na, with water heater pa. Dahil sa high ceiling ng dining at living area, sobrang aliwalas at presko ng hangin sa loob. Hindi mo mararamdaman na parang nasa loob ka lang ng box. At kung work from home ka, chill ka lang kahit may outage dahil may 100% backup generator tayo. Plus, malaking balcony na intended for relaxation. Enjoy your morning coffee with a view. Ready to see it in person? Tara, exciter tayo!